Hey, it's Ben here. In this video, I'm doing a pro and con review of Social Jacker. This is a cloud-based app and WordPress plugin. It's going to allow you to hijack and take any content out there on the web, whether you own it or not, and be able to put these types of pop-ups on it. You can make the page dark and have these pop-ups come up that ask people to click to go to Facebook and then allow you to capture their email address to help build your list. So this is a page hijacking type app, only with some new features. One is that ability to capture their Facebook email address, so you get a better response rate whenever you email out. And also, there's a new way to capture to kind of hijack the page, whereas compared to other page hijackers in the past, where sometimes if you would try to share it again, it wouldn't really hijack it properly and it would kind of mess up the HTML in the page. There's more control over how you actually hijack the page, so when you share it, it won't really get messed up on various social networks, whether it's Facebook groups or your own channel or things like that. Now, if you don't know what I'm talking about, what I mean is, for example, you can go to this site here, for example, macrumors.com. Say you're in the Mac tech niche. You find this good article about saving more iPhone space. You can copy it, and then you can actually upload that exact copy of it to your own domain. For example, here's a brand new domain. Say we own mac-rumors.co instead of macrumors.com. This is one that we own this time. And then put these pop-ups in the corner here, that whenever someone lands on the page, I'm going to refresh this, so it's going to automatically pop up here. This will pop up and allow the user to type in a question and then eventually go to Facebook. So say, for example, here's another one that's going to have this, the job one. So you're going to land on the page. This is going to pop up here. And then if the user clicks to continue to Facebook, whether it's enter a contest, directly apply to these jobs, whatever it is, they're going to see a button that looks like this. And if they click it, Social Jacker is going to capture their Facebook email address, not just their email address they enter in an opt-in form, which most of the time is fake or wrong, but it's going to capture their Facebook email address, which is the right one, allowing you to add it to your autoresponder and then email out later affiliate promotions or more content or anything like that. And the way this works is pretty simple. You're going to go ahead and log into this cloud-based dashboard here. You're going to go over to campaigns, and then you're just going to add a new campaign, whatever page you want to hijack. There's already a default one or a example one set up here, so I'm just going to click on edit. And you can write your welcome message for the pop-up, the reply, what the reply name is going to be. In this case, it says Mac Rumors because that's that Mac Rumors page that we hijacked. Thank you message after they've subscribed. And you can also customize the style. So this is what it currently looks like. There's a couple different styles, including like square, user. You can go ahead and play with these. It's, that's not a big deal. It's just going to customize a little bit how it looks, how you want it to look. You can have the title here. In this case, the title is "Win a free iPhone X in any color." More customization options. And then we're going to get to the actual cloaking part. So what you want to do is enter the URL here of whatever page that you want to hijack and put your code on. In this case, it's the actual macrumors.com article here. And then what you want to do is you can first copy this HTML code and put it in a blank page and upload it to your site. Now, I know that there's some other page hijacking apps that came out where you just enter the URL, you press submit, and then you get a second link that's like cloud-based with your with their domain on it, where you can share. Now the problem with that is, first, it's not your brand, like how we created that mac-rumors.co. Well, that's going to get shared a lot more because it's our actual brand and our actual site, instead of like socialjacker.io/weird list of text, where people aren't going to be as trusting to click on that and then give you their Facebook email. This is going to allow you to convert people a lot better, as it's going to be hosted on your domain, and also customize it. Now, if it's not looking right or something, whenever you cloak it and put it up to your own site, then you can edit this code or pay someone on Fiverr or Freelancer like $10 to fix it, as opposed to all the other hijacking apps where you take it, you get your own link, and then if it doesn't really look it doesn't look right, well, you're stuck with that, or you just have to delete the campaign. because that's as far as the software can go. So there's some more flexibility there. Also, if you have a WordPress plugin, you can go ahead and copy this. You can install the plugin and then copy this right to each post, and then the post is going to automatically show this on your domain to wherever you've installed the plugin. So it works as SaaS software where you copy it and then upload a file to your cPanel via FTP or just traditional login, or through WordPress as well on your WordPress site. Now there's some more features where you can have a spin response with the answer bot. You can change some images around. You can get shortcodes put on your site. These weren't major features, just some ways to make it a little bit more useful. And of course, you can actually see the emails and download them. Everyone that you've captured, it will show their profile, their gender, their age range, their actual email, the name of it. You can export it and then upload it to your autoresponder of choice, and then you'll get some stats as well. So overall, some of the pros are you're going to get more success with your own domain with this page hijacking feature. It's easier to edit. There's more control over it. So in case it doesn't come out looking right, you can still use the campaign and edit the HTML. There's a WordPress plugin to use it that way if you have WordPress. The cons are, of course, that you still need your own content. This isn't a substitute for just your content marketing in general. You should still probably create your own things. And there's already page type jackers out there. This isn't the first page hijacker app. You've probably seen reviews of other ones. And if you already have one that's working great, then maybe you don't need this one as well. You can just save the money. But it is launching for an early bird discount. It's going to be a pretty low price, and you're going to get access to everything you just saw here for no monthly fees and bonuses you can check out below. So go ahead and click the button to learn more if this particular type of page hijacker is right and you want to test it out. And if it's not right, of course, they are offering a refund period if you're not getting results or anything like that. So thanks for watching this review video of Social Jacker. Hopefully this highlighted why it's different than other hijacking apps, what you can possibly do with it, why it might work for your marketing campaigns, and I'll talk to you again next time.